Hey everyone, we're very excited to announce the rollout of our new Mental Health Administrative Professional Credential, also known as the MHAP. To our knowledge, there's nothing like this designed to prepare you for success when it comes to working in the mental health industry, one of America's fastest growing industries. This is a 9-month certification program designed to give you a crash course on every aspect of working in our industry, as well as the credential to prove it. It's going to look great on your resume next to your name. We've designed the MHAP to pay for itself by increasing your earning and promotion potential by ensuring that you have a working knowledge of the key topics that impact a mental health organization, as well as how those topics are tied to your role in increasing a practice's profitability, efficiency, and culture. We're going to teach you how to be a valuable employee with this knowledge. The certification focuses on two simultaneous delivery formats. Number one, a monthly 3-hour live Zoom led by one of our subject matter experts, our departmental coaches. And then another 5 to 7 hours per month of video self-study and experiential learning for a total of approximately 100 hours by the end of your course. We want to reassure you, this is video-based experiential learning. Listen and watch. The reading and the writing are kept to a minimum. Each module, each month, will wrap up with a short competency quiz, as well as a final assessment at the end of the course and a small capstone project to show that you've really comprehended the material. The 9 months, the 9 modules are going to be focused on the following subject areas in this order. Number one, we're going to give you an overview of the mental health field, the mental health crisis, professional roles. Number two, we're going to teach you about compliance, HIPAA, confidentiality. These are the bedrocks of our profession. Number three, we're going to teach you how to do some risk assessing, crisis response, conflict resolution. We want you to be prepared to deal with people on some of the toughest days of their lives. Number four, we're going to teach you about the cultural expectations of working in a mental health workplace. Month number 5, we're going to teach you about scheduling and other key client interactions, things like records requests, how to respond to those, how to navigate those, what some of the rules are around those. In month 6, we're going to teach you about billing and insurance and how this stuff gets paid for. You're going to walk into a practice knowing more about the economics of it than just about any other applicant. In month number 7, we're going to teach you some key office skills. We're going to review some key email etiquette type issues and really prepare you to look like a polished professional. In month number 8, we're going to talk specifically the whole month about contributing to an organization's profitability, efficiency, and culture. In other words, how do we not just make you knowledgeable, but how do we make you indispensable? Month number 9 is going to be a capstone month where we're going to talk through all this stuff. You're going to have a small capstone project to show that you can utilize all this information. And then we wrap that up with a virtual graduation. We think this is a game changer for anybody looking in the field for a job, anybody wanting a promotion, anybody trying to earn top dollar. To be part of this program, we offer 2 payment options. Number one, we've got a one-time payment of $2,500 to enroll in the course. That covers all the education, all the videos, all the materials. That's it. $2,500, one time, one and done. We think you'll make that up on the first hire, on the next promotion. Or if money's tight, we do offer a payment program of 9 easy payments, 9 monthly payments of $300. Gets you to the same spot. That's all it costs. When you visit our website, semiprivatepractice.com, and you read about this course, you also see some information on discounts for first responders, law enforcement, their families, as well as scholarship applications and ways to even make some money recommending this course to other people. Our first MHAP certification class starts in just a few weeks, so we're going to want you to go to the website and get registered as soon as possible, especially since we limit each class, each cohort, to just 100 participants. If you have questions, if you want to know more about this course before signing up, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. You can email me personally. My email is Ken, K-E-N, at semiprivatepractice.com. That's Ken at semiprivatepractice.com. Shoot me your questions. We'll get you answers. We look forward to seeing you in the first class and helping you create a career in the mental health field.